I'm Spencer Steenblick, the design director for Phi Architecture. I have over 20 years of experience in architecture and design with projects on 4 continents. Manufacturing is outpacing construction in innovation. As an assistant professor at Indiana University in the Comprehensive Design program, we are fostering human-centered design at multiple scales and a culture of making. To address the innovation gap in the construction industry, I'm working to create public spaces for experimental construction installation so that we can test these structures against the elements, the community, and renowned scholars and practitioners. We see great examples from institutions like the Institute for Computational Design in Stuttgart, Germany, and at the ETH in Zurich, Switzerland, where they have a robotics fabrication lab for experimentation with construction systems, tools, technologies, methods, and processes for a more effective and efficient future with exciting opportunities using new materials. Locally, we have some culture of making as well, such as Project One Studio and Ignition Arts. We have local community partners to bring outdoor experimental spaces accessible to several IU campuses. Some of my past work with students has included design products like passive cooling lunch vessels, affordable housing solutions using thin shell concrete, and planned communities from local feedback. And a project inspired by figures like Conrad Weichmann, Frei Otto, and Tensegrity have been used to make an innovative high-efficiency modular joint system. I'm also collaborating with Jonathan Neshi on sculptural projects and hope to collaborate more with Ian Sorvin, who has his own interest in innovative construction systems and making places for experimentation. He has a manual for every project, including one about land. He has identified land site locations around the world that are available for use with a GPS coordinate for each one. Starting with N55's identified land, I'm bringing my own experimental structures to as many places as I can. Will you invite me to make an installation in your location that you know about? This will bring awareness to the need for more innovation in construction. I look forward to building wherever you are.